Hello! Welcome to this 10th and last episode dedicated to making 10 video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make
the lighting path transition
in a few simple steps. Our lighting path transition has a duration of 20 frames. A simple but effective transition, suitable for natural landscapes or people. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! Add an adjustment layer to the sequence, 20 frames, and marker in the center. Position it in the timeline with the marker at the cut point. To make this transition, we will need two effects. Let's insert the first effect in the adjustment layer for color gradient. We don't need to change any colors this time. You just select the Add option in the blending mode menu. Now we have to work with the mask. Position the playhead in the center of the clip and create a new mask. Place the four handles at the corners of the frame and add a keyframe in Mask Path. Set Mask Feather to 550 and move to Start of Clip. Now drag the mask out of the frame to the right, reduce the size of the mask, and then move to the end of the clip and do the same thing. We're almost done. We just need to add the second effect, ProCamp. Drag it into the adjustment layer, position the playhead 5 frames before the center of the clip, and set the default value of brightness. Move to 5 seconds after the cut point and do the same thing. Position the playhead in the center and set brightness to 50. You can also set this keyframe to Auto Bezier. Okay, now we finish this video transition as well. So if you like, you can customize it by changing the colors, shape, or position of the mask. Let's see this short clip where we have inserted all 10 video transitions that you have learned to make in this series of tutorials. With this transition, we finished this tutorial series with Adobe Premiere Pro CC. By now, you should be an expert. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.